Good morning, everyone, to our special guests from Korea, from the academy, from the industry, from our colleagues from the government, to the GSS Logtoday beneficiaries. Thank you for coming. Yeah, good morning. Okay, so I am indeed excited to give the story of the Tryk ni Juan. And so, Tryk ni Juan, it will one day become a household name. Tryk ni Juan is a tricycle with an Abaca fiber reinforced composite roof. Roof for now, later on, it will be explored including the body. But we have a prototype body and roof downstairs. And it is now roaming the streets in the upper and lower Bikutan. So today, we're going to launch the field testing activity. This activity is indeed a commitment between ITDI together with KIMS and the beneficiaries, which is the GSS Lugtodai, because we are deploying 15 units of this tricycle roof to the beneficiaries. So it all started with collaboration, right? So memorandum of understanding between Korea Institute of Material Science and ITDI was signed way back 2010. That was almost 6 years ago. We started with designing, wherein Dr. Nuna Almansor was our director then, last July of 2011 to 2014. That was the first phase of our project. And the project title was Plasma-Treated Abaca Fiber Reinforced Composite for Industrial Application. And the activities under this project, was to focus on Abaca fiber. So the composition of this project was the training for the fabrication of the composite, the identification of good quality material, and also the team visited the Abaca farms to be able to see the sustainability of the supply. And also we were trained for the different fabrication techniques as well as surface modification techniques on the Abaca fiber. So why Abaca? Abaca is one of the strongest natural fibers found in the Philippines. In fact, the Philippines is the #1 producer of Abaca in the world. And so that Abaca is really abundant in the Philippines. Okay, so the applications of Abaca and other natural fibers are as follows. It could be applied in automotive, in interior door, lining panels, upholstery, and seat box, in various structural components such as window frames or doors, roofing, decking, insulated panel building system, in construction such as building panels, roofing sheets, door frames, and also in sports, it could be applied as bicycle frames, tennis racket, and surfboards. But today, we already explored the use of this Abaca composites in tricycle. So some advantage of natural fiber composite is its low production cost, its low density, it's lightweight, therefore it could be translated to saving energy. or it could improve the fuel efficiency of the vehicle. And also it has a low density. Aside from low density, it is resistant to corrosion, and it is renewable, it is biodegradable, it's a readily available raw material. So the effects of the use of Abaca reinforced composite as a roofing material are as follows. It provides an improvement in the efficiency because of its lightweight. And also you can experience a riding comfort because of its good insulating properties. And therefore it can protect the passengers from too much heat from the sun. So last June 19 of 2015, we have a MOA signing with our cooperators. The fabricator of the tricycle roof was done by Genostic Industries Incorporated. And for the field testing, our collaborator is the GSS Lube Todai. So during that event, we met with the Tricycle of Drivers Association members, and we checked the structure of the roofing and the sidecar, and we measured it. And so you can see the drivers posing beside their tricycles, and I think they're happy to know that we are deploying the tricycle divers roof for free, no charge. So just to let you know how we fabricated the roof. We started with a pattern mold. So we have one tricycle wherein we use as the model to make the pattern mold. And the pattern mold was used as a basis to make the master mold. And then we prepared the Abaca mat. So it is the Abaca fabric that we use to layer or reinforce the tricycle roof. Okay, so but before we place the Abaca mat, we have to apply release wax, and then the gel coat, the gray one, that's the gel coat. And after which, we place the layers of Abaca fabric. We call this technique the hand layup technique. Okay, so now we're ready for painting. So, can you recognize that the back of this is the Abaca fabric? And this is the front side of the tricycle roof. And then the polishing. I'm just slow because the computer feedback is slow, but the processing is not slow. It is fast. Okay, so this is now the product to be installed in the tricycle. But you see, there is a challenge. As you can see, the tricycle around here, they have different configuration of the roof. Okay, but first we need to install the windows. The windows are made of glass. Ang challenge naman dito is, the front window is a curvature. So it is more, the glass installed here is higher or more expensive than the flat one. But later on, we could do modification. So this is the tricycle before with the stainless steel, or some of them use other metals. And you can see the roofing. Most of the tricycles use the PVC roofing, in which it will not last long. It will degrade later on because of environmental condition, the heat, the rain, the wind, and so on. But you can see a very decent looking tricycle using our Abaca composite. This is the side view before and the side view after. And then the rear view before, the rear view after. Before and after. So this is what you can see rolling around the streets of Upper and Lower Bhutan. And the tricycles will be, the beneficiaries already brought in the tricycles. I think there are 15 of them. Am I right? Okay, so we also made a tricycle for ITDI as a prototype. This model has an Abaca fiber composite in the sidecar. The whole thing is made of Abaca. So this is the pattern preparation, and then next is the master mold, and finally, this is the prototype tricycle of ITDI. Okay, let's have a Okay, so we envision that just like the jeepney is a Philippine icon, then we are envisioning that the Tryk one will one day be a Philippine icon in transportation economy. So one day we will also have our staff. Okay, so local technology works. Thank you very much.
Indeed, local technology works.